Hurricane Headquarters, sponsored by Entergy.
Look at that surge coming in. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Another big wave.
Check out the damaging storm surge in Matagorda County today. The flooding only amplified by winds in Sargent Beach. That's where Beryl made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane around 4 this morning. Good afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us here on The Beat. I'm Brenna Matuti. Beryl is now moving through the state as a tropical storm. It was downgraded around 10 this morning. That storm currently just north of Nacogdoches, but it left behind plenty of damage, and now it's being blamed for at least 3 deaths in the Houston area. A man in Humble died after a tree fell on top of his home. Harris County Sheriff Ed Gonzalez says the man's wife and his children, though, were uninjured. A 74-year-old woman also died after a tree fell on top of her house. And a third victim, a woman in her 50s, died in a house fire. Authorities tell us they're still investigating whether that fire is related to the storm. A familiar alert for folks throughout the day as Beryl moved through our region. The Beach Grove Volunteer Fire Department shared these photos with 12 News. You can see violent winds cause trees to come toppling down. Officials tell us multiple homes have been damaged as a result.